Hello, welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we present the 5 best VR headset to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. The Oculus Quest 2 both improves on the spec sheet of the original Quest and delivers it for cheaper. With a new LCD, the Quest 2 offers exceptional clarity for an entry-level headset, through which you can enjoy a slew of games either purpose-built for the standalone headset, and thus rendered by the onboard Snapdragon XR2 chip, or beamed from your PC using Oculus Link and a compatible USB Type-C cable. Thanks to Oculus Link, the Quest 2 becomes more than a standalone VR headset. It becomes an all-in-one VR Swiss Army knife, capable of great-on-the-move VR and gaming across Steam and Oculus Rift-compatible titles. It's also one of the quickest headsets to set up on this list. With inside-out tracking and hand tracking built in, you can go from unboxing to up and running in VR in just a couple of minutes. Features: next-level hardware, immersive entertainment, premium display. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Valve Index VR Full Kit. There's little doubt that the Valve Index is the next generation VR headset people have been clamoring for. It has an ultra-crisp display that runs fairly well even with older GPUs, a wider field of view, a higher refresh rate, and Valve's knuckle controllers, which can track the movement of every finger. That's why, at least right now, it's our best VR headset in the list, and our best VR headset for PC owners. And yet, while the Valve Index is one of the best VR headsets yet released, it's brought some of VR's most annoying aspects along for the ride. If you can look past those issues, this is a really good VR headset. Its higher resolution screen and better refresh rate allowed us to use it for longer periods of time without discomfort, and the Index controllers are a real step up from the ones that ship with the Vive. Features: finger tracking controllers, best-in-class display, fantastic audio. Coming up next, in third place we have the Sony PlayStation VR. If you want to play VR games on a console, then the PlayStation VR system is your best, and pretty much only bet. It combines a neat headset that looks semi-futuristic and is surprisingly comfortable, with a superb range of games that's been slowly expanding. You can play games like Star Wars Battlefront, Rogue One X-Wing Mission, Eve Valkyrie, and Batman, as well as Astrobot Rescue Mission, is one of the more interesting recent VR games. If you have a PS4 or PS4 Pro, then PlayStation VR is one of the more affordable ways to play VR games, especially given that you don't need an expensive gaming PC. As such, if you're a PlayStation fan and want to get into VR games, the PlayStation VR is highly recommended. Features: affordable, near PC quality performance, good selection of games. Now moving to the number 4, HTC Vive Cosmos Elite VR headset. The HTC Vive Cosmos Elite is designed to address some of the original HTC Vive Cosmos problems, while maintaining that model's core specifications. The dual displays running at 90 Hz really are worth holding on to. The Cosmos Elite is essentially the original Cosmos, bundled with the first generation base stations and controllers and a different faceplate. The original launch price of the Cosmos Elite was prohibitively high, and this is one of the reasons it didn't fare better in our review. Still, if you're looking for a premium VR gaming experience, you're going to have to pay a chunk for it, whichever solution you go for. Features: precise movements, external tracking, elite performance for PC VR gamers. In the fifth position we have the Samsung Odyssey Reality Headset. The Odyssey is Samsung's refresh of, you guessed it, the original Odyssey HMD. It's a substantial improvement and the best of the current crop of Windows mixed reality offerings. The Odyssey is primarily a dedicated VR headset. The mixed nomenclature comes mainly from Microsoft's initial eagerness to bundle HoloLens into the same ecosystem as its VR initiative. The Odyssey boasts an impressively high-res display for a WMR device, and also takes advantage of a proprietary anti-screen door feature Samsung deploys to reduce the fine grain you see in the majority of HMDs. As a result, the screen door effect in the Odyssey is practically undetectable, and combined with the WMR standard of inside-out tracking, provides a remarkable level of immersion. Features: AMOLED display with wide view, direct full-array backlight, adjustable headband, comfortable materials. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best VR headset. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.